Yo, it's filming. Yo, imagine you can't even see.
Let's take a video of this setup real quick.
Popeyes vlog. They have no ice.
I got ice.
I didn't. It was empty.
Did you try the one on the right?
Both sides. Yeah.
Mine just shot out ice, I swear. Guys,
Ready?
She's bad as fuck.
Ready?
Right. Oh, dude, you went farther away from me. Okay.
Yo.
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 Let's show them the biscuits. We got the biscuits. With the shrimp. First. 7 out of 10. They're pretty fishy, actually. But no, they're pretty good. I recommend. Kind of spicy. Yeah. Why does this fucking kid always zoom into the side of his face to talk? That shit is spicy.
That shit is spicy.
Got the setup.
We would move over a bit.
Facts, yo. We gotta make sure Myles is in this.
You're just videoing the whole time?
I didn't need to.
Oh, my bad. Vlogging. We vlogging.
Yeah, better just go sesh some skates. Some wood on wheels.
We say the basic thing to sound more sophisticated.
Here's the hack, boys. Just thought of this. This might be busted. I don't know. You see that? Call us Jake Paul because we vibing in this bitch. Mm-hmm. 10 out of 10.
Who's in fact bussin'?
Got some fans behind us.
Yeah, that's for a picture.
You think you're doing simp?
we ain't simping.
I guess remove your hats at the table, am I right?
Am I right or am I right?
Oh, I'm right. Look at all the dust coming out of here. That's crazy. Dusty old man. All busted. This shit is busted.
In fact, bussin'.
What it feels like to have a heart attack. Look how fucking big that piece of chicken is coming on.
Indeed, bussin'.
Oh yeah. Salty. A little bit of chicken, pickle, some sauce, make it nice and moist in there. Fuck. Punch buggy. Tastes so good, man.
I got the orange Fanta cherry Coke. It's bussin'.
It looks pretty windy in there.
The EDP video on Popeye's chicken, have you seen that?
No.
It's so funny.
Is that a guy that checking us out? He must know who we are.
Yeah, he does. Eminem.
Oh, I gotta say my thing. Oldsmobile. We about a wheel. Put your bitch in the back.
Of the Oldsmobile.
And I'm gonna make her squeal.
That's true.
Myles knows it from experience. Oh, that's like a bill. She turns around.
Wait.
We better record the video. No, this is so sus.
Yeah, I know. Yo, is it bussin' bussin'?
Oh, it's bussin'.
It's bussin' bussin'.
Popeyes doesn't have real soap. Remember that. It's lotion.
It's bussin' bussin'.
So good. One magnificent creature.
That's awesome. Maximum.
Yeah, can you imagine it was like zoomed into one of our faces?
It wasn't. It was zoomed all the way.
That would have been crazy.
Oh.
Manners, man. We're gonna get canceled. For all of our famous people.
Yo, Charlie D'Amelio gonna cancel us.
Yeah, David David.
David David.
David David. Wait, what? David Dobrik actually asked us to link. We had to turn that off now. We didn't want to lose any fans. We wouldn't gain anything from it. You know how it is. In the hood.
In the trenches. Vlogging. We vlogging.
We vlogging in the
Popeyes vlog. Yo, we next up. Popeyes vlog. Yo. That's going on the story.
Yeah, we vlogging in this bit. Alright, I gotta add this into my TikTok.
Yo, the Popeyes. That was like analyze.
Better words. Wanna see my TikToks alright?
That shit bustin'.
Oh fuck, I just did like kept recording.
How much time is left?
We got plenty of time for this.
2 steak ropes, and that's game.
I don't even know, this is just the first sound I said. I wonder what the end of the sound is like. This shit bustin'.
This shit bustin'.
Got a man in the bed. Oh man, do I look bustin'? That better not be for the TikTok. I'm trying to make 6 each fuck.
It was to you.
Oh, that's bustin'.
That's bustin'.
Dude, I gotta.
Yo, let's open all their snaps. Rip.
Who the fuck is
I don't know. She looks like she's great too. Okay.
Popeyes vlog. Poopy's vlog.
I mean, that's so cool, but... Oh, wait, he already... Oh, shit. I didn't burp. Cut it out. Yo, the title of the YouTube caption, Myles burps in Popeyes location. A warning graphic. Trigger warning. Trigger warning graphic. With a red arrow, me burping. Listen.
It has a fucking sensitive contact warning on it, so you have to like press watch anyway.
Listen.
Please verify that you're 18 before watching this video.
Ready?
This shit always busts.
It's for everybody.
Oh no. Wait, let me say my line here.
Wait.
Ready? When you go back to me, I'll have my hat on. Oldsmobile, we better wheel. Put your bitch in the back, and I'll make her squeal.
Yeah. Wait. What is it? What's the thing? The fucking bat. The fucking, what's it called?
What?
The frog.
Julio bathing duck.
Julio bathing duck.
Facts.
Facts, yo. Yeah, we're sending this to everybody.
Wait, what's the
What's the thing?
thing? How did I even do this?
Yo.
Alright, we're still vlogging.
Oh shit.
That's facts.
That's bad.
Shrimp sandwich with a biscuit.
Julio bathing time. Julio bathing time.
Myles breaks his car on the first day, he takes it out. Now you're totally see that happening.
Well, let's be real, it is me. I don't think anybody's gonna open that.